In today's video, I'll show you how to pre-order GTA 6 early. Let's get straight into it. First, open any web browser on your device. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type PS New Zealand Store. After typing it, press enter and click on the first search result that appears. When the page loads, you may see GTA 6 listed as available for pre-order. Click on the Pre-order Now option. You will then see two different editions available, the standard version of GTA 6 and the Ultimate Edition. Select the edition you want. In this case, I'm choosing the Ultimate Edition. After selecting it, you will see the pre-order button again on the product page. Simply click it to confirm your pre-order. You may also see additional details and early game information on the page. Keep in mind that the pricing is shown in New Zealand dollars, which may differ from US currency. That's basically it. You can choose between the standard and Ultimate Edition and pre-order the game directly from there. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials and gaming tips. See you in the next one.